back to another food trip with Dumaguete.com. I am Daisy, and tonight we will be trying some delicious pizza from Tropini Pizza, located along the Rizal Boulevard of Dumaguete City. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the button now to see most of our latest videos. Now, let's get to ordering.
Okay, what is your order, ma'am?
For our food trip, I would like to order one diavola, carne grande, and appenzeller
And
tilted cheese.
Okay. I repeat your order, ma'am. One diavola, one carne grande, and one appenzeller cheese.
Yes.
Okay.
For this food trip, we will be ordering two kinds of pizza, the diavola and carne grande. What is a diavola? Diavola is made with fresh tomatoes, pepperoni, salami. Of course, it's spicy, very spicy actually. Some oregano, roasted vegetables, onions, mozzarella, Carabao buffalo cheese, chili, and a sprinkle of virgin olive oil. While the carne grande, based on its name, is full of meat, and it is actually made of Italian pepperoni, salami, chicken, beef, onion, sprinkled with virgin olive oil and basil. We can't wait to get our order. First small bite and it's already good. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Daisy of Dumaguete.com. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, again, click that subscribe button and leave a comment in the section below. See you in our next food trip. Bye!